in addition to the orbit, pan and zoom commands, we can also walk and look around our scene using another set of tools. So these are also found under the camera menu, and we have position camera, walk and look around. So position camera places the camera in the scene. So if I select this, notice how my cursor changes to a little man, and all I have to do is just left click in the scene and it will place the camera in the scene at a specific height. If we notice down in the bottom right hand corner, we have a field called eye height. Now if I want, I can type a new value into this to change how high or low the camera is. So if I type in some value, it raises the camera just a little bit, and now once the camera is positioned, it automatically drops you into what's called look around mode. Notice how the cursor is changed to an eyeball. So if I left click and drag, I can basically orbit the camera around from this viewpoint. It is almost like the camera on a tripod at this point, so I can move the camera wherever I want. And it gives me this sensation that I am actually inside this scene. Now if I want to change my vantage point, I can go into camera and change it to walk, and notice how my cursor changes to some footsteps. All I have to do is just left click and drag, and I can basically walk around my scene. And if I go left and right, my vantage point goes left and right as well. I can also go forward and backward, and I can change this to whatever I want. So with the combination of position camera, walk and look around, I have another way of looking at my scene. Now to get out of this, all you really have to do is just go ahead and select the pan tool, and you can start to zoom out and manipulate your camera back to a different vantage point.